PNI IP74 Live is an outdoor surveillance camera that combines wireless functionality with solar panel power, designed for flexible installation in areas without direct power. The camera provides a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, 4 megapixels, and uses a BSI sensor with high sensitivity for low light conditions. It also includes full color lighting even in the dark, without relying exclusively on infrared lighting for clear and colorful images even at night. The camera operates via the 4G mobile network with extended frequency coverage, eliminating the need for a network cable for image transmission. It supports local storage on a microSD card up to 256 GB and cloud backup option. The always-on video AOV function keeps the device active and permanently connected to the network, ready to respond instantly to any command or event detected. The device comes with a 5V 12W solar panel and 18650 batteries, 8 batteries of 2000 mAh each, providing up to 15 days of autonomy even in cloudy conditions. It includes fast charging and a 3-stage system with over-discharge protection, which extends the battery life. In addition to motion detection, the camera has the ability to recognize the human silhouette up to approximately 30 meters and can automatically follow a subject, then return to its original position.